I'm Erin from TechGadgetsCanada.com, and I've just gotten the new Samsung Galaxy Note 10. This really pretty new phone has a bunch of cool features, but especially for new users, they might not seem all that easy to unlock. So I'm here to show you how to do it. In this video, we're going to look at how to use the new AR Doodle and AR Emoji features. A quick heads up that if you end up liking this video and finding it helpful, to please hit that like button and give me a sub, since it does help me keep making more videos. And if you want to check out some of the other Samsung Galaxy Note 10 content here, including a full review and some more helpful tips, they are right here on the channel. AR Emoji is a feature that lets you add virtual digital stickers, emojis, or other effects to your video. The effects stay in place even if you move. To use it, launch the camera app and tap video or photo on the shooting modes list, then tap AR Emoji in the top right corner. Along the bottom is a list of available options. The other feature Samsung has is AR Doodle. Take the S Pen out of its slot, then open the camera app. The camera will look for faces, and when it detects one, you'll see the small S Pen icon on the right edge of the screen. Tap on it and you'll see AR Doodle is the bottom option. Tap on that and you can add drawings to your face, you can change the colors of what's there, write messages, and so much more. You can doodle first, then record, or record up front and have the doodles get recorded as you do them. These features are really fun and work really well. You can read more Samsung Note 10 tips and tricks and reviews at TechGadgetsCanada.com. If you like this video and found it helpful, please hit that like and give me a sub, since your support does help me keep making even more videos. I'm Erin. You can find me on Twitter or Instagram until the next time at ErinLYYC. You can also follow me at Facebook.com/TechGadgetsCanada.